Welcome to our behind the scenes. Today, we'll take you through the intricate steps involved in creating high-quality, fashionable jackets. It all starts with the careful selection of fabrics. Our team meticulously chooses the best materials to ensure the durability and style of our jackets. Once the fabric is selected, we move on to creating paper samples to visualize the design and fit of the jacket. Our skilled designers meticulously craft the blueprint for each jacket. This step is crucial in ensuring that every piece is cut and sewn to perfection. Fabric cutting is a crucial step in the process, where precision is key to achieving the perfect fit and shape for each jacket. Our team will carefully lays out the fabric and uses precision cutting machines to cut out the individual pieces that will form the jacket. The sewing stage is where the magic happens, as our talented seamstresses bring together all the components to create the final product. Trimming is essential to guarantee that every jacket meets our high standards before it leaves the factory. Every loose thread and excess fabric is carefully removed, leaving behind a clean and polished final product. Quality is our top priority, so every jacket undergoes a thorough inspection to ensure that it meets our high standards. From checking the stitching to examining the overall construction, no detail is overlooked. Once the jackets have passed all the quality checks, they are carefully packed into OPP bags for protection during shipping. At Shanghai Zhongda Wincom, we take pride in our meticulous production process, ensuring that every jacket is of the highest quality and style. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the production process of jackets at Shanghai Zhongda Wincom. We hope you have gained a deeper appreciation for the craftsmanship and dedication that goes into creating each and every one of our jackets. Stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes looks at our fashion production process.